Okay, in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the all-new Galaxy S23 Ultra. I just got it in the mail today. So we're going to take a look at it and see what comes in the package. So I'm going to start the unboxing with my handy unboxing knife here. Now, I didn't get the S22. I do have the S21. As a matter of fact, that's what this video is being recorded on, the S21, which is a very reliable, a very good phone if you can't afford the S23. Okay, right off the back, it comes in a very nice casing. There's a little tab you pull up here. Let's pull the tab up to expose the phone. Here's the phone itself. It comes with another tab that covers the screen. And here's the back. As you can see, there's your 5 cameras. This is a green color, like a sage or olive green. It's a very, very nice looking cover. But yeah, basically that what comes attached to the phone. This backing and this screen protector cover. Let's see if there's a charger in the case. Doesn't look like there's a charger in this case. And Samsung has not included a wall charger in their last 3 or 4 phones. So it does come with a USB-C plug or a USB-C cable. You have some instructions and all type of things that will probably end up back in the box or in the trash can. I'm going to keep this because this is very important. For the phones that have a memory slot or this is a tool for your SIMs card in case you need to replace the SIM cards or whatnot. So don't throw this tool away because it definitely comes in handy. So there you have it. This is what's included in the all-new Samsung S23 Ultra. They spent a nice penny on the packaging, but this is the phone itself. This is the screen cover. I'm going to leave this on until I can actually buy a pretty decent screen protector for it. But yeah, this is the screen cover, so we're going to leave that on for now. And hey, I'll make another video later comparing the S21 photos and videos to the all-new S23. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you soon.